So this is my two. I got two exchanges because I'm all about the exchanges. Exchanges are, they're big, and plus they got great communities. 1 inch exchange. It's a DEX, an aggregator. And the DEX means it's a decentralized exchange. Rather than working as an exchange itself, it splits orders between many other DEXs. So the cool thing about this one is it uses a lot of the exchanges, and you're going to get the best prices for whatever token you're going to buy. Because some exchanges only use like 4 or 5. This one I think has around 20. So the 1 inch exchange has had no security breaches or hacking incidents. This is their pros. The user interface has been created to be, it is very user friendly. It's an easy platform to use. There's no trading, deposit, or withdrawal fees. That's awesome, right? We don't like fees. High liquidity and excellent rates by aggregating DEX order books, right? That's another awesome thing. Gas tokens can lower transaction costs even further. They have special little tokens that can lower gas. The addition of the 1 inch liquidity pool protocol allows for yield farming. We all know what that is. We're all about that. So the cons, the platform does not support the use of fiat currencies. You can't come directly in. You still have to come through Coinbase and then MetaMask. Even though the platform is quite user-friendly, beginners could struggle to grasp how to use it. It's not, this whole space is not easy. But that's, again, what bees.social is doing. That's what's amazing with our developers and our user interface. We now have a one button to push to get into our pools. There's none of this, all this in difficulties. You have the correct coin, you come here, you press one button, you're in the pools and you're yielding seeds, right? That's awesome. And then they have this other con where it's an infinity unlock feature. It could potentially be a point of attack for future attacks. And all that means is people being able to figure out something and maybe kind of getting in there, and that's not a good thing. So I'm showing you both pros and cons.